In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Gmail. If you're on a computer, start by opening your web browser and signing in at gmail.com. When your inbox loads, begin a new message by clicking Compose, which you'll usually find near the top left. A Compose window opens with the To, Subject, and Message area. To attach a file from your computer, look along the bottom toolbar of that Compose window for the paperclip icon. Click it to open your computer's file picker. Browse to the folder that holds your file, select the file or even several files at once, and then click Open. Gmail immediately starts uploading each attachment. You'll see them appear beneath the message area. Give large files a moment to finish uploading before you send, so everything arrives correctly. If you prefer, you can skip the paperclip and simply drag a file from your desktop or a folder straight into the Compose window. When you drop it, Gmail attaches it automatically, and you'll see the same attachment previews below your message. This method is great for quick, one-off files. Keep in mind the size limit. Files up to 25 megabytes attach directly. Anything larger will be uploaded to Google Drive automatically, and Gmail will place a link to that file in your email. This is perfect for big videos, long presentations, or any file that's too large to send the usual way. You can also attach items you already have in Google Drive. While you're composing, click the Google Drive triangle icon near the paperclip. A panel opens where you can pick files from your drive. After you choose what you want, decide whether to insert them as drive links or as actual attachments when that's supported. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are shared as links, while common formats like PDFs can be attached. Click Insert, and they'll appear in your message just like regular attachments. A couple of quick tips before you send. You can attach multiple files to a single email by selecting more than one in the picker or dragging several in at once. And if a file is too big for a normal attachment, using Google Drive ensures your recipient can still access it without clogging their inbox. When everything looks good and your files show as fully uploaded, click Send. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. If this helped, you're ready to attach with confidence every time you compose a message.